Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to give you an update on the 1.8T Volkswagen swapped Porsche, so come along. Yeah, it's been a while since we had an update video. A lot of things have been going on. Derek started his own shop, so he's not working at his old job anymore. Didn't have a lot of time to work on it. Had to wait on some custom stuff to get made. Had to wait on some stuff getting shipped from China and some stuff like that. But he's made some good progress, and we're going to do some more here. We got to pull the engine and trans out today so we can do some mods, but he's got some mock-up here. We got the turbo mocked up with the manifold and wastegate. He made this sweet little bracket deal to make it easier to go on the stand.
I don't think I had the front mount done yet.
No, it wasn't, yeah. Got the air-to-water intercooler in here. Front mount is officially all done. Yeah, because it was just...
Almost. There's one more. I got to brace it this way because...
Okay.
See how much the engine moves back and forth?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we need a brace down here. But
okay, yeah, what are you just going to do from like one of these bolts here to there?
Yeah, I actually, a turnbuckle from somewhere over there to there. Something
Okay.
like that.
Yeah.
But I want to do it with the engine out and this in neutral position, you know?
Yes, that makes sense. So today we got, like I said, we got to pull the engine and trans out. Why are we pulling it out? What do we got to do with it out?
Oh, there's a bunch of stuff that's just kind of like mocked up on it that I want to nail down, bolt down. I want to take the trans off to clean it, and there's like shift shaft seal that needs to go in it. The clutch and flywheel aren't on yet. The like the crank pulley bolt isn't torqued. We got a valve cover, different valve cover to go on it. Yeah, a bunch of stuff that's like just gonna be needs to be done with it out of the car. I got most of the mock-up I want to get done to this point done in the car, so time to pop it out.
Well, we're going to have this thing running and driving this year, Derek?
Maybe.
I think, what year did you, it was 2022?
22 or 23? Yeah, I started, I think, 22.
I think so, too.
Yep.
I mean,
it's snowballed a bunch since then.
It has, 100%. And, project cars are project cars. It's hard to find time, So, all right, let's get this thing out.
All right.
You said these hoses got to, yeah, so I'm just going to clip the zip tie then.
Yeah, just, what? Yeah, clip that, yeah. That's just hold it up.
Ooh, a plasma. I didn't realize this was Plasman.
Yeah.
He does good stuff.
Yeah, guess how much so that thing was like $1,000. It was like $950-ish. Yeah. I got the tariff, 40%.
Oof.
$380.
Oof.
Okay, so now we can set it onto this guy. You might need to block the trans. We'll see.
There we go. Got about an inch. Touching. In the front here, we're touching.
Okay.
Oh yeah. There we go.
This did have to come off.
You did?
Yeah,
the shift cables?
Yeah.
Dang.
Did pretty good on this one.
Yeah, looks good, dude. Make sure you clean up all those fingerprints before you start it up.
Yeah, it'll all get wiped down with
yeah, they'll get burned in real quick on stainless.
Yep. All right.
Up with the car or down with the stand?
Up with the car.
Okay.
More controllable.
I'll do that, you watch. How about that?
That sounds good.
Whenever you're ready.
All right.
Ready?
Yep. Go for it. Yeah. Yep. Pop this over.
Send it?
Yeah, send it. Makes sense.
Yeah, that's that little adapter you had put in.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, and I went up from, this was originally a 38, so then I had the the hole machined out
That's
for
right.
44 and welded the 44 on there.
Oh, yep. And this nice Malaysian intake manifold.
Yep.
I mean, it looks nice.
Yeah. No, yeah, the intake manifold's actually real nice. I'm happy with it.
Cool. Let's see this intake manifold.
All right. Valve cover?
Valve cover, yeah. Not intake manifold. We already got one of those.
Yeah. Made this, designed this up, and had it made by Sencut Send. And that's what hangs the muffler. So that'll sit.
Yeah. Okay.
for that. And so main exhaust flow here, I got to have a valve, so it'll be quiet mode or loud mode.
Okay. I guess I can get behind that.
Like that. And then from here, I want to bring that down.
Yeah, there was a pretty good amount of room in there.
Yeah, there's a lot of room for activities right up there. So, oh yeah, so you can see this better now, what this ended up like.
Oh, yeah. Because you just had this just made last time there was a video.
Yeah. Yeah, so that all was out of 1/4 inch chromoly. So
Okay.
it's definitely strong enough.
Yeah.
It just needs a brace. And that brace doesn't have to do a whole lot. There's not a lot of force
Right.
going
it's
that
a
way.
torque
It just
pump,
has
yeah.
to it just has to stop it from starting to move, you know?
Yeah. I forget. Built new rods, stock pistons? Built pistons, stock rods?
Stock pistons,
Built rods.
built rods.
That's what I thought.
Yep. Stock pistons are forged, and the cylinders were pretty good. I scuffed them up, re-ringed it, cleaned the pistons.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like a haltech knockoff.
It's Carrot Top, designed by him. It looks like.
Okay.
But it kind of, yeah.
Snap.
Yeah. Started getting hard. I don't like that.
I'm going to say it.
There it goes.
Yep. I shouldn't laugh, but dang, dude. Oops. Oops.
Oops.
I mean, it's not like we did anything wrong, you know. It's just-
Yeah. It was bound to happen.
Yep.
It's all right.
I know
We'll
the
take care of
feeling
it.
though. It's just like, oh, it's just a quick and easy valve cover job, you know. Snap.
Walking too much.
Oh yeah, that's way off.
Looks like the head's coming off.
Oh no, Derek.
That's okay.
Derek, no.
It's not that much work.
No, Derek.
Head's coming off. I'll have to go in the mill.
Yeah.
It's not that much work.
Yeah, you know, honestly, you'll be happier with the end result anyway.
Yep. We can at least mock this up though.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, that looks pretty. It looks pretty.
Mm-hmm. I like the hardware.
Yeah.
Look good. That uses the
R8 ones or
R8
whatever?
coils, yeah.
What are we
One-
doing for the ECU on this again? Max? No. No. ECU? No.
Nope.
You told me, I can't remember.
M-Tron.
M-Tron, yeah, okay.
I guess I gotta take the head off now, which I don't even have to take the cams off really, as long as I can get that thing into the mill. Nice.
No, I mean it's
just,
the engine's out. You know, it's
right.
It's just it just sucks.
Yep.
You know, when stuff like that happens, it's just like, oh man, this is supposed to be an easy job.
Right.
And
yeah,
now
put the valve cover on.
Yeah. In theory, a 1 hour job goes into now a multi-hour situation, and frustration. Could be worse though.
Yeah.
Honestly, at least you did it now and not after the engine was all put together in the car running, and you're like, oh.
Right.
Now I got to pull the head.
Right.
Well, I know it's a little bit of an update. I know a lot of people have been asking about it. You know, again, it's one of those things. We're both busy people, and work on it when we can. And he's put in a lot of work, so hopefully here soon we can get that maybe put back in and get ready for a first start relatively soon. I mean, you still got to mock up the AOS. You still got to mock up your coolant stuff. You still got to mock all that stuff up.
Intercooler stuff. Yeah.
I think you're getting pretty close, though, in all reality.
Yeah. I can mock up a lot of the coolant. I know what I'm going to do. These hoses are going away. I'm just going to cut off this and weld tubing up to a point here to run the 2 rad hoses down to.
I mean, honestly, I think next time this goes in is probably final assembly.
Probably. There might be some in and out. Actually, there's definitely going to be a little bit of in and out for harness measurement.
Right.
Harness, because I still have to figure out exactly where I'm popping through for the harness and everything. I can measure the harness once I have everything mounted to this. I can measure the harness for the engine, but then I'll still need a point from the engine to the chassis length. But yeah.
Could be worse.
Could be worse.
But if you're looking forward to more updates on this, make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.